Best available promo codes or discount for codes for the Eneba website. How you can simply find that in your PC. For this, open the browser you have on there, and this is the Eneba official website. On the next tab, I will simply search for the best Eneba discount code and click on the first website, that is PayPal Honey. In this website, you will see the listed promo codes for Eneba coupon code and verified discount code. It worked recently. On the left you can see the status of any QR or promo code available, and to simply get a coupon you have to click on the right of any of the available discount coupon here, and then you can simply copy the QR or the promo from this menu. Just like this, you can view that. You should copy that and then paste it on the official payment page of your Eneba website. You can simply reach out all the codes from here. As you can see, there are signs that the code is verified, and this is the most trusted website for finding promo or discount code for any of the available software all over the country. This is how you can actually do it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please subscribe to the channel for watching such videos and amazing reviews like that. You can also hit the bell icon to receive updates.